In this video, I'm going to show you how to install bulk SMS software. Okay, this is the folder where you have your setup files. Double click on it, and this is the setup file. You click on the setup client, click next, accept terms in the license agreement, and install. Click yes and click finish. Next, you want to go back to the file again. Here you have copy and paste. Open the folder and then select the file inside the folder and copy. Next, you want to go to your PC, this PC. Okay, select local disk C and then go to program file 86 and search for LAN tick. Double click to open, and this is Android bulk SMS sender that you just installed. Open it and replace this file in there. Okay, replace the file in the destination. Click continue. We now have the full version of bulk SMS sender. Alright, next you want to right click on it and run as administrator. Click yes. So next we want to install the modem to our mobile phone. Just close this and then alright, so we have to copy this to our mobile phone. First of all, let's connect the mobile phone to the system. Alright, so this is my phone at the right hand side, so I'm going to install the modem. Okay, here is the modem, so I'll just click on it and then click on install. Open the modem after installing, then go to open the software on your device. Next, you want to add a phone to this software. Click on add Android phone. Once you click on that, you enter host IP to connect, or you click on the auto search connected device. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the auto search. It will search for my mobile phone. You can see it has detected my mobile phone now, so I'll just click on OK and then select this and click OK here. So you can see I have my mobile device connected, so I can start sending SMS right away. Okay, next what you need to do again is to select the network you want to send your SMS from. On my phone, I'm going to select settings, click on SIM card and mobile network, select SMS preference, and then select SIM 1 or SIM 2. So that's exactly how to install bulk SMS software. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, like and share with friends. You can also drop a comment in the comment section and tell us what you think about this video. We are open for suggestion and recommendation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.